everybody. So I'm back, same outfit, same hair, same background, same adorable puppy here. He is still snoozing. Oh my gosh, you guys, he's so cute. If you haven't watched my Mako's homecoming video, then go watch it. I will link it here so you guys can watch it. It was super cute, and he is the most precious angel puppy. He's just so sweet. So anyway, I am now going to film a PupBox unboxing video. I wanted to do this while he was sleeping because I wanted to show you guys everything that was in the PupBox before I let him kind of have free reign. So I've never had a PupBox before. I just filmed a BarkBox video, and I have ordered BarkBox before. I've got them many times for Greta. And like I mentioned in my last video, I quit getting it because it was too expensive and I couldn't afford it. And now that I'm working during the summer, I can afford BarkBox. So I purchased a BarkBox and a PupBox. So I'm really excited about this PupBox. I have never purchased this subscription box before, but I heard really good things about it, especially for puppies. It's supposed to be customized to your puppy's age, and it has like training tips and all kinds of things, toys and treats that are geared towards their age. So I am very excited to open this. I haven't opened it yet. So let's just jump right in and see what we have. Gotta be quick because the puppy is sleeping. We don't want him to wake up. So, very cute. Got PupBox on here, and this is all empty, so I guess maybe you're supposed to fill this out, like how many months, his height, his weight. I'm not sure what this is. The heart? Look at the heartbeat. I don't know. But super cute. So it's just got a little sticker here. It says Puppy Bliss has arrived. So I'm just gonna see if I can just get this without ripping everything open. There we go. I'm trying to be quiet. Okay, so we already have some cute, looks like some information. I'll show you guys what it looks like. So you can't even see like any of the goodies yet. This is just some information for you. So let's see what this says. So the first thing we have here says, it's flea season. Prepare yourself, pups. That's what it says. Fleas are the most common parasite. Okay, so it just has some information here. Check out the flip side to learn some of the options available to keep your pup protected from the ultimate pest. Okay, and then on the back it has Flea Prevention 101, which is really cool. Some flea facts, prevention tactics, infestation signals, and then what you can do if your pup gets fleas. So that is pretty cool. I'm gonna have to read over that. When we brought Bowser home and he was going through training, he actually brought fleas home from his training at PetSmart. And so we had fleas and it was crazy, crazy, crazy. So that is something that I'm definitely going to try to prevent as much as I can. I know it's hard to do sometimes because they're just so common. So, okay, that was the first little paper I have here. Okay, and then it just has like a list of all the things that are in this PupBox. Okay. Well, it says this PupBox was packed with love for Mako, whose birthday is April 3rd, 2019. Everything in your PupBox is handpicked just for you. Thank you for being a PupScriber, Mako. Super cute. I love that they pick things out specifically for the age of your puppy because it makes a difference. I mean, when he's this small, he can't chew on something that a year-old dog can chew on. So, all right. First thing we have here, training and development for your 2-month-old puppy. He was 2 months yesterday. That is when I went and picked him up. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. So this just has welcome home, sweet baby. Congratulations. It has house training 101. The how-tos of crate training, which let me tell you, that is hard. I was gonna crate train him during the night and I just couldn't even bring myself to do it because he's so sweet. Like, why wouldn't you want to cuddle with that? I know it's probably good for him to be crate trained at night, but I'm just not doing it. I'm gonna try to do it like every now and then, like when I'm in the shower or something, he can go in his crate. We'll see. No promises with that. And then on the back it says teaching your puppy to come on command with hand targeting. So that is pretty cool. I like that. I said in one of my other videos that Bowser responded really well to the hand signal training at PetSmart. And so I don't know if maybe that's like a Boston Terrier thing. They just respond to it well or what. But that's pretty cool. I'll have to read up on that. Oh, cute. Okay, so it has your little training tips. Ooh, some good things in here, you guys. I'm so excited. Okay, so the first thing we have here is a Roma Dog. This is kind of cool. Okay. Says using a patented technology for long-lasting scent delivery. Veterinarian recommended and pet approved, may promote healthy behavior in pets and helps soothe anxiety. That is cool. Releases aroma with each play and squeak. Made with lavender blend of 100% therapeutic grade essential oils to help calm your dog. This says squeeze me, smell me. I don't want to squeak him. Oh, but he does smell good. Oh, that is really cool. Roma Dog is an aromatherapy pet toy combining the soothing effects of essential oils and the natural instinct to play and sniff. The calming blend may help your dog with thunderstorms and fireworks, boredom, travel anxiety, and vet visits. Huh. That's really cool. So I have to save that for a time when he's getting kind of, you know, scared or something. So far he's been really good with all the new noises he's been hearing, so. But this is cool. I really like this. This might be good for Lucky because she is just one big ball of anxiety. So that is really cool. Okay, I love that. Next thing we have here, ooh, very cool. We have a Nylabone, softer for teething puppies. This is chicken flavor. It says encourages proper chewing habits, flavor throughout, teething and soothing. Made in the USA. Love that. Very cool. I actually purchased a Nylabone. It's not exactly like this one. It's blue and it has like, it's bumpy, which is also another puppy chew. And it's supposed to, it does the same thing. So this is basically the same thing, just a different like texture. So, and color. So that is very cool. A Nylabone. Next thing I see here, I'm very excited about these. Well and Good Gentle Wipes for Puppies. Baby powder scented. Quickly freshens up pets. Soothes with oatmeal, moisturizes with aloe vera. Supports healthy skin and coat with vitamins A and E. I did not know that pet wipes existed. I think I talked about this in my puppy haul video. And I'm really glad that I purchased them because I've already had to use them a couple of times. I actually, since I let him sleep in my bed, go ahead, judge me, I don't care, he sleeps in my bed. Since I let him sleep in my bed last night, I took a wipe right before he got in the bed, and I just wiped his paws off and I wiped him down so that he kind of gets like a little mini bath before he goes to bed. And I actually had to use one this morning. Let me just tell you. We're going to have a little story time real quick. I was outside, let him go to the bathroom. He had just eaten his breakfast, so we took him outside to go to the bathroom. My mom was sitting on the porch, and I was standing there, and he was doing his business, his number 2. We were like, oh, you know, good boy, good boy. And he stopped, and he looked at us, and then he laid down in his poop. Yeah, he did. He did. So, you know, I was telling Sydney about it, and she said, you know, not everybody's perfect. And that is very true. But he didn't get it all over him. But it was quite funny because I immediately jumped down. I was like, oh no, don't do that. So, but I used a wipe to wipe him off since it wasn't a huge mess. A wipe was enough to do it. So I've already seen that I'm going to be using those wipes a lot. So very cool that they gave me some more. And this is a different brand, which I like trying different brands of things to see what I like better. So pretty excited about this. Be able to try out a different brand of doggy wipe. So there's those. All right, next thing I have here. Oh, this is cute. Looks like a balloon animal. Yeah, latex balloons. Huh. It says charming, the toys dogs crave. And then down here it says latex balloons lion. So I guess it's supposed to look like a balloon animal, like a balloon animal lion. This is really cute. I really like this. it's got a weird feel on the end. Like there's not a squeaker in it. It's just like, I don't know, that's strange. That's cool though. I bet he'll like it. It'll probably feel good chewing on it. It's made of all natural latex. Okay, so that is super cute. Love that. All right, next thing I see here. Oh, this is cool. Okay, I don't know if this is Fission, F-I-Z-Z-I-O-N, Fission, Physion, probably Fission. Okay, refill tablet makes 32. This is empty. Let's see what it says. Fission concentrated cleaner, stain and odor remover. Quickly eliminates tough pet stains, odors, and more. Cleans urine, feces, vomit, blood, and hairballs. Safe for use on furniture, carpet, flooring, and fabric. Okay? Alright, so it comes with one tablet, and it looks like I just put I fill this up with water, and then I drop the tablet in. Yeah. And it makes the cleaner. Well, that is cool. I really like that because you're not risking putting like this is a full-size product. So you're not, I mean, everything that I've gotten has been a full-size product. But this is cool because it's a cleaning product. This is something that's normally pretty expensive. So cute. So that's cool. You're not risking like a full-size cleaning product busting open in transit. So that is pretty cool. Always like a good household cleaner. I wonder if this is all natural or anything. Oh, what does this say? Eco-friendly, pet safe, cleaner world. Okay. Very cool. I like that. Awesome. So got some stain remover, pet cleaner. All right, last thing we have here is Emerald Pet Little Duckies Yummy Treats for All Good Doggies. These are made with duck and blueberry. High protein. Okay, that's good for puppies. All natural, limited ingredients, grain-free, and made in the USA with US ingredients. So these are really cute. They're shaped like little ducks, if you probably can't tell. But that is really cute. I've never heard of this brand, Emerald Pet. Grain, gluten, dairy, and soy-free. Okay. Oh, very cool. You can feed up to 2 treats per day for his size puppy. This says if you have a dog that's 51 pounds or more, you can feed him up to 18 treats a day. So that would be Greta. I'm just kidding. I don't know how much she weighs, but Greta could definitely go through 18 treats easily. And this little puppy definitely could not do that. So 2 is believable. So that is really cool. I love those. I'm really excited to have PupBox and BarkBox because it helps rotate toys, number 1, and number 2, you don't have to constantly buy bags of treats for your dogs because you're getting them in the mail. So hopefully these will last, I would assume probably more than a month. This is a big bag of treats. But even if they don't, if we decide to like give some to Lucky or Greta or Bowser, a big bag of treats, so it should last probably more than a month, but if not, we'll have them and we'll get new treats next month. So very cool. And then PupBox doesn't really have any decorative like paper or anything, but I love that they have all of the puppy information in the beginning. That's really, really cool. And I'm excited to kind of go through and look at all of it and read everything. So as soon as Mr. over here wakes up, we'll have to go out and go to the potty. Yeah. And then I will film some of him like going into his little PupBox. I don't know if he'll be very interested in it. We'll just have to see. But I will add that footage at the end so you guys can enjoy that. And I hope that you liked this video and got some really cool puppy treat and toy ideas for your own dog. And hopefully I can film these every month when we get new ones in. So you can keep an eye out for that. And if you haven't already, go check out my Mako homecoming video. It's really cute. You guys will really like it, I think. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. Mako. Mako. Mako, what is? good things. Yes. Which one do you like? Oh, what's this one? You like the paper? That's your favorite part? Yeah. Bowser. So Mako likes the paper and the box the most. He doesn't care for anything inside of it. And that's Bowser out in the hallway. You can hear him. He's very upset because he's not included in this video. But